My name is Iain McCart. I am an electrical installation lecturer with Northern Regional College. I deliver electrical installation lessons in both theory and practical in the classroom and workshops to all years in the Level 3 apprenticeship programme. I also deliver to Northern Ireland Electricity Networks apprentices on a weekly basis. When I was at 𝗟𝗲𝗰𝗁𝗿 college completing my apprenticeship, I asked my lecturers then, Bob, Stokes and Dougie Lind, how they got into teaching. My route into teaching came when I got a job in a training organisation where I completed my teaching qualifications, my certificate in teaching and my PGCE. I then applied to Northern Regional College to be a trainer assessor, going on to site and collecting evidence for MVQ portfolios. An opportunity then arose for me to complete my foundation degree in construction engineering, which was fully funded and supported by the college, which then allowed me to apply successfully and get my job as an electrical installation lecturer. I also like to pass on my knowledge and experiences to the next generation of electricians, and seeing them develop from first to fourth years is very rewarding. I made the move from industry to teaching because I was working for a company who expected a lot of travelling, didn't offer any real flexibility or CPD opportunities, and there was no progression routes from the job I was in. When I moved to Northern Regional College, the support given by my manager was great. I was going to be a dad for the first time, and the support that was offered to me was something that I never had from a manager before. The holidays are great. Every 6 weeks you get time off, and the pension scheme is fantastic. The most rewarding part as a lecturer is sometimes getting to see old apprentices when you're out and about. They always have time for a chat and tell you how much they enjoyed their time at the college. It's great seeing the young people develop from a nervous first-year apprentice with little or no knowledge to a fourth year who is completing their apprenticeship. My advice to anyone who's coming in is that it's a fantastic job with great work colleagues, holidays and a sense that you are needed, because if we don't pass on our knowledge to these young people, our trades will eventually die out. Don't expect to be the best lecturer straight away, and don't put yourself under pressure. If someone is offering help and support or advice, take it, and we look forward to seeing you at our recruitment event.